Are you ready for an alphabet adventure? A is for antelope, B is for bear. C is for cat, and D's over there. E through M, each animal plays in forests and jungles and warm, sunny days. Now N through Z are joining the fun. Watch closely. Our journey's nearly done. They're forming a shape. Oh, what could it be? It's the whole alphabet, from A to Z. Our animal alphabet. What a sight.